Kaden, say hi.
He's looking at me. He knows what's up.
He's like, why is that strange lady in Mimi kitchen while she's kicking? Get out the kitchen.
Hi, buddy.
Say, get out my Mimi
Why
kitchen.
don't you just move the camera over there?
Why are you messing with my video? So I've never done these what I eat in a day video, but this is what you're getting ready to get. Just woke up, no makeup. Lucky I put my wig on because I usually don't do that. I am currently in a barn and I'm gonna do like a farmhouse type of theme for food this whole day. So like I said, pardon me, I don't do these what I eat in a day videos, so wish me luck. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, we're gonna make a big breakfast because I feel like if you're in a barn, like you should have like, I feel like farmhouse life, you know, it's just like big breakfasts. This thing's making like lots of carbs, like, you know, eggs, bacon, sausage, potatoes, hash browns, French toast, just super hearty foods. I don't know why, but that's just what it puts me in the mindset of. So we're gonna make a lot of stuff. Some of these things you can find in my cookbook. Like we're gonna make a really big omelet. My omelet in my bag is my Brunch It with Chef Joy cookbook. We're gonna make some vegan sausage that I got from the grocery store. Can you give me a second? Yes. Listen, you want the camera? You okay? It's Mimi Realness. Okay. And if you want a plant-based sausage recipe, I do have that one in my Brunch It with Chef Joy cookbook. So let's start making some farmhouse breakfast, okay? I'll be sure to include the link below how you can get my cookbook, Brunch It with Chef Joy. So that's my G-Baby, y'all. Say, hey, G-Baby. You're being nice. There you go. There you go. It was going well. They pretty. That's my toppings out. biscuits. They might be perfect. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. I'm always intimidated by making biscuits, but let me see. My mom makes like the best biscuits, and they're so rustic and stuff like that, huh? Okay. Oh, that's good. Look at that. It's soft, fluffy, hot, steamy. Look at that. Oh my God. Ooh, Mom, I'm coming for you. I'm sorry, I'm just playing. You hate your food? Oh, want to make it?
I want food.
Eat your imagination.
So good, y'all. Thanks, Chef.
Kaden, say bye. Say bye. All right, guys, it is lunchtime, and I am getting ready to get into this kitchen and make a flatbread. To be honest, I have never made a flatbread before, but I was on live earlier, and they were talking about how I was making like all these hearty, hefty dishes. So I just said, you know what, let's lighten it up. But I'm just gonna use a whole bunch of vegetables that I have. I have the ingredients in the kitchen. My G baby, he is asleep. This is him in his pop-up and go bassinet. This is what I use for like traveling. He's really little big. So while he's asleep, I'm gonna go ahead and get lunch started. It's gonna be super easy, I think. Like I said, I'm just gonna add a whole bunch of vegetables that I have in the refrigerator, and I'll be honest and tell you what it really tastes like. All right, so let's make this flatbread, and hopefully this vegan cheese melts, because I'm using this new cheese that I've tried once, and it was inside of a mac and cheese, so it was with a whole bunch of other flavors. Y'all know how I do my mac and cheese, so I really can't tell, but we're about to see if this actually melts. Like very vegan, like that's the epitome of vegan, but we're gonna see what it tastes like. In the meantime, I'm going to also make the salad, because I have the got pop my collar. I have the stuff here, and it's gonna go back soon. I think I probably got like a day on it. It says use by December 30th. Let's open up and see if it's any good. The nuts and the seeds. We can't use the dressing that comes with it because it's not vegan. But I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta make this test and fast, y'all, because the baby want me, okay? My grandbaby want me. Okay, I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you, but I'm talking to y'all, but I'm looking at you. You're important. So, yeah, like this is gonna be like a good way for me to get my veggies in. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all. You know, I did make it a little crispy, crunchy, you know. Let's see. It's a little hot. Hold on. Ooh. I don't know where that cayenne pepper came from. Let me get my seasoning on it. I'm definitely like salt, pepper, oregano. But I use my Just Magic seasoning, and I cannot wait for this to come back in stock because it has like thyme, smoked paprika, oregano, all that good stuff on it. So it's an all-purpose seasoning. I try to be light with it because I feel like less is more, but my seasoning isn't very salty. And then so now this cheese, the cheese did a kind of a good job melting. Y'all see that? It's a very mild cheese. This is a good one. It was actually really good, y'all. I wasn't even hungry because I had that big breakfast. Let me get one more bite. Let's try this kale salad with this 2-ingredient dressing. This is very satisfying. This is really good. Like, this was something that I just threw together. It's like a lunch that tastes like love. It tastes like effort. Like, even when I try to throw stuff together, y'all, I just create greatness. And I think that's a talent. I'm glad to be able to share that with you. All right, so I'm gonna have my friends that the lunch is ready. Okay? I'm sure they're ready to eat. Friends, your lunch is ready. It's okay to laugh. They're fine. They say they're quiet because I usually get on their case about being loud in my background. They looking at me. Come eat your food, y'all. This is the consistency you're gonna want it to be. Hopefully you can see that really good. See how thick that is? Nice and thick. I'm gonna make some quick little dumplings. This is some stuffed fries and flour. I used a little bit left of the egg wash, the just egg, and just some water in there. You can season this if you want to, but the season is gonna be in the broth. So I added some more water to the rest of that mixture because I had a lot of mixture left over, and I do not believe in wasting food. Actually going to try one of these while they are super hot. And I know I should wait, but the baby is cutting up. G baby's cutting up. Popeye's so it looks like inside. Can y'all see that steam? Oh, that's hot. Blow I'm gonna tell y'all what I honestly think. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's hot. That's good. That's actually really good. I do wish I would have put some cheese in it, but it's actually really good. And even though I don't have my Worcestershire sauce, my vegan Worcestershire sauce, the flavors are still coming through. I think it's because it's my golden chick seasoning. Whew. Hope y'all try some of these recipes out. And this is like what I eat in a day. I mean, I will show you my drink, but I'm literally pouring my tequila in a shot glass and drinking it with some ice and Celsius or ice and club soda. That's it. Yeah, I don't know if I can show tequila on YouTube, so I'm not gonna show the bottle, but it's a white tequila. It's double. All right, guys. See you next time on my channel. Let me know, should I keep doing these videos? Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm pretty new to this what I ate in a day vlog type thing. But if this is something that y'all enjoy, that y'all want me to keep doing, I'll make sure I add that to my content on this channel, okay? All right, ciao.